I've just received a question or a couple of questions on why do teeth become sensitive over time? Okay. So the first thing that we have to look at is the anatomy of a tooth. So a tooth has got this hard enamel shell around it. It almost looks like a helmet. It's protective. It's the hardest material in the body. It's harder than bone. And then under this enamel surface that supports the tooth or is hard enough to gnash and grind down foodstuffs for you to swallow, there's dentine. So the dentine is more organic. It's not mineralized like enamel. Enamel is like really hard, tough. And then the dentine has got these tubules. They almost look like gutters that radiates from the nerve right to the outside of the tooth. And then on that outside of the dentine, you've got the enamel shell. So the outer layers of the dentine, that's the furthest away from the pulp or the nerve space, only contains fluid, while the closer to the pulp itself, there's nerve. So the pulp comes from the big trigeminal nerve that supplies the whole face and the whole jaw. It extends like little nerves through that goes right through the center of the tooth, and it lies there in the pulp, and it's got its own blood supply, own living tissue on the inside of that tooth. And then from this pulp, with this nerve, it extends little nerves right into all of the dentine spaces, these little gutters. So whenever there's movement of the water in the gutters, the nerves pick it up, it gives the information to the pulp, and then sends it to the big nerve, the trigeminal nerve. That then adjusts your bite position, it feels sensitive or texture, hot or cold. Everything gets picked up by this movement of the water in these tubules. So why do teeth then become sensitive? So if there's a break in the enamel and the dentine is exposed, this water will start to move. And this is called the hydrodynamic theory, that as soon as there's water movement, like say for instance, there's something cold, it causes the water to move, something hot, electrical stimulus, a hard knock on the tooth, there's movement of that water moves in the tubules, and that little nerve that's in there picks it up, and it sends a signal down to the pulp, which is the larger of them, and then it connects to the bigger nerve.